We were here in a studio unit at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun, Mexico. Planning a trip here and you just want to book one of these? Stick around. We'll take a look inside right after this. Before we go any further, if you're planning a trip to Cancun and perhaps even considering staying at the Westin Lagunamar, you'll want to check out our friends and partners at Red Timeshares. They offer studio and 1 and 2 bedroom villa accommodations for rent at Lagunamar, so check them out in the link in the video description below, the first pinned comment, or you can very easily scan the QR code right here on the screen to explore Red Timeshares. They stand apart from other timeshare booking websites. As soon as you find a reservation you want, you can book it and pay for it instantly on their website with no additional processing or booking fees. Rest assured, you can rely on Red Timeshares to get your family the perfect accommodations at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun and many other resort destinations. Thanks to Red Timeshares for sponsoring this video, and now let's get inside this studio unit here at the beautiful Westin Lagunamar. Okay, so we just came into the studio unit here, and really this is the entry door, and kind of right in here inside the entry you do have the stacked washer and dryer. Great thing about the studios here at the Westin Lagunamar, they do have washer and dryer. They actually give you a pretty good sized jug of laundry detergent. There is also an iron and ironing board in here too. And then as we continue into the unit, we're going to see the kitchenette right over here. Looks like they've actually completely redone these units since we've been here before. Don't remember the kitchen cabinets being this kind of cream or ivory color. Here you do have some, what are these, margarita glasses. And then inside here, you have your glassware, your dinnerware. And up top there, there's a colander, a mixing bowl, and a measuring cup. Let's see what we have up here. Go in a little bit more detail here because a lot of people are flying to this destination. Kind of curious what they might have at the room. So you also have a blender, a toaster, and it looks like an electric can opener. Then up here, this looks like some kind of baking dish. There's some grilling utensils in the room. That's kind of a bit of a rarity. Usually you don't see those in the room. Tea kettle, some more bowls. There's a glass cutting board underneath that. I really hate the glass cutting boards, but then again, some more baking dishes. You do have some starter coffee supplies down here. So you have some coffee. There's some salt and pepper shakers that are empty. You have your sugar and whatnot there. And then in here, I have a mini fridge. It does have an ice maker. That's really, really handy. And apparently you don't need to worry about the ice or the water here at the Westin Lagunamar. They have a reverse osmosis system here. Invested a lot of money in getting quality water at the resort. So you have a pitcher in here, pretty good size, little mini kind of apartment sized refrigerator. And then you have the 2-burner cooktop. You have the microwave oven. You have the coffee maker, knife block, good size sink there, and a huge thing of detergent back there. Now let's see what we have in the drawers. So you have your kitchen towels and all your silverware. Down here, you have a number of kind of spatulas, cooking utensils. You do have a peeler, so a vegetable peeler. There is a manual can opener there. Corkscrew, whisk, and another thing here, a lime juicer. That might be important to you for some situations where you might need one. Maybe you're making some guacamole, maybe you're making some adult beverages. Well, that kind of citrus juicer is definitely handy to have. Glad that they put those in there. And down here you have a set of pots and pans. Looks like a fairly new dishwasher here, so kind of apartment sized dishwasher, not real big. And then down under the cabinet here, you do have your trash, your recycling, some extra paper towels, and dishwashing detergent. Now that we've seen there, let's go in and take a look at the bathroom. So in the bathroom here, you do have your toilet over here. A really nice big area here. Definitely is a good thing. You do have the Westin robes. So maybe you want to walk around in a robe. You do have a spa on site here as well. And then in here, really big stand-up shower. Really tall rain shower head there. So if you're tall, that's a good thing. And then they do have the pump soaps on the wall. And then over here, you have your sink, your vanity, just a single vanity here in the studio unit. Then you have nice bright lighted mirror. Looks like there's a number of different outlets here on the wall, and you have a shaving / makeup mirror there. Then over behind the door here that opened up, you do have a jetted bathtub. So really nice thing here in these units is that bathtub. So let's see what they have in any of these drawers. Well, there is the hair dryer. Not sure if they have anything over here. Nope, doesn't look like it. Not seeing anything. We do have a soap here.
on the white tea soap. That's really, really good. Really awesome stuff. We like that's open. We have a whole bunch we took back home the last time. So now let's continue into the rest of the room. You have a queen size bed here. Unfortunately, that is the problem with these studio units at the Westin Lagunamar. Just a queen size bed. I'm not sure if I pointed this out when I was in the bathroom, but these do open up if you want to open them up between the bedroom area and the bathroom. Not sure why you would do that, but that is an option. And then here you have, like I said, that queen size bed. This has been all redone. I remember this being a lot darker in the past, but a couple nightstands. You do have a number of remote controls over here, alarm clock, and a pull-out sofa. So this will probably pull out into another queen size bed. I'm noticing down here something a little odd. The sofa actually has some exposed USB and power outlets down there. And then a couple of ottomans here. A little kind of small dining table with a couple little kind of wicker chairs. Interesting mirror on the wall. And then over here is where you'll find the television. Not too bad of a size, flat screen television. Bose sound system, Blu-ray player, and also kind of has one of these little kind of media connections here where you can plug some things in. It's got some USB, it's got an HDMI input there. So maybe if you bring your Roku, your Fire Stick, your Apple TV, whatever it might be, Chromecast, well, you can hook it up there. And then this just slides across here and you have couple of luggage stands down there, some drawers, extra pillows up top, and the in-room safe. So pretty good size in-room safe. You can get pretty good size laptop in there. Okay, so next up we just need to go out and take a look at the wonderful view from the patio. Yeah, so out here, we'll look at the view here in just a second, but we do have, looks like 3 chairs and a small table. So 3 small patio chairs and a small table. You have some lights out here, great sliding glass door. But then this is what we're here to see, right? This is the view from our 6th floor unit here in this building 6 at the Westin Lagunamar. The main lobby building is right down there. And then I believe that's 5. And then you have 4, 3, 2, and 1 over there at the end. So quite pleased with our view here out to the Caribbean Sea. You have the fountains down here. You have kind of what you call maybe the upper pool. And then down there you have that wonderful, magnificent infinity pool. And then the beach, and then the sea. Beautiful view out here at the Westin Lagunamar from our patio. Really excited for the next 10 days to come. Just can't wait. If you want to see another video though from here at the Westin Lagunamar, I will put a link to one right here. So go over, check that out. That will be the resort tour, full resort tour from here in Cancun at the Westin Lagunamar. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.